kind of thing happens to leather couches all the time. So I'm going to fix it. We're going to go through and we're going to respray the dye on top. You have the aniline dyed thing underneath, and then this is just a spray dye on top. You're going to want to go to the links below if you're going to do this. You're going to want to order 3 colors that you think are the closest to your leather couch. And the reason you want to order 3 different colors is because you're going to kind of mix and match, because leather's not all dyed one color. As you can see, this is the base coat, and there's probably 2 other colors in here. So just order the 3 colors you think are the closest. I'll put a link to the website as well so that you can print out a color sheet if you're not sure which ones will match your couch. This is going to look really good once I'm done here. So this isn't the only part on the couch that's done this, but this is the worst part. And this stuff, after you paint it, it lasts. So I'm going to get started. For my 3 colors, I'm using russet, dark brown, and coffee. Starting off with coffee here. This is the lighter color. About a foot away. Light layers, very light layers. I got a small layer going, let it dry. Still with the coffee here. Just want to get a good base coat. And see, I'm not painting just in this area either. Getting all around in here. Missing the threads. Wish I could cover the threads, but if I do, I'll have a fine line. So can't do that, just got to be careful. That's where we're at now. Starting to come together and blend. So now we're going to hit it with a little bit of the russet. Keep it like a foot away. Don't want to get too close. You get too close, it's just going to get all tacky. It's not going to look good. A foot away in just small bursts. As you can see, this is starting to go away here. Okay. Let that dry for a second. Now we're going to go over it with the dark brown here. Just small bursts. Let's move this over to the sun more. So right next to the sun. And so you can see, I still got to touch up all these little scratches, but you can see it looks a lot better now. So this is less than a 10-minute repair. This is really easy to do. Another really common thing that happens on these things is these cup holder marks right here. We're going to get rid of that really quick too. Comes out looking phenomenal. Make sure you wear a mask. And this stuff lasts, guys. This is exactly what this is for. This stuff is actually meant for shoes and stuff like that. So it's meant to be durable. There's an extra sealer that I'm going to link below. I'm actually out waiting for it to come. And all you do with that is you just spray over it at the end, and that'll just make it last even longer. Really, the product is the big thing here. This stuff is amazing. It comes with its own sealer. I recommend getting the other sealer for it. That's exactly what they do at the factory. They do the same thing. This part right here is like the color, that the natural color of the hide. They just basically sprayed the dye over it. So that's what you're doing. So your leather's not like ruined, or it's not even cheap leather really. It's just kind of a cheap dye job. Just patch it up yourself, guys. You can't tell me that doesn't look a million times better in 10 minutes. There you go. Easy. All the links will be in the description below. Still got to touch these guys up here. But you can see I didn't touch any of this up or any of this up. You can't even tell. Alright guys, so that's basically the end of that part of the repair. I'm going to do the cup holder thing real quick. Make sure you subscribe. This will give you a great example of just the small bursts you need. Starting out with the coffee. Alright, now we're going to hit it with just a little bit of russet. Let that dry. Dark brown, the final touch. Okay, so check it out. It's almost gone. It's barely there, just barely. And this stuff, this paint is good. Look at this. Alright? It's good stuff. So, if it's still barely there, I'm going to start with the light coat again, just a little bit with the coffee. Okay, now I'm just going to hit it with a little dark brown. And now it should be gone. There we go. Now you can't see it at all. Really hope this helped you. We really appreciate you guys watching. Check out our other repair videos. That's pretty much it. I'm going to fix this thing up and make some money on it.